Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe and this is my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing this thing. This, get a look, good look on. All right. Where's my other hair clip? Oh, there it is. A little cinematic, I was holding it in my hand. I wasn't looking for it. So me when I'm an actor, I'm all like 7 years ago. My middle ring light broke, so I had to buy a new one, and it's really small. So I padded it out with two little ones in the middle, in between the other. I have 3 more lights now. So maybe the lighting is better, or maybe it's the same, as long as it's not worse. If it is worse, thank you. This is actually a $5 one from, I almost said Food Line, from Dollar Tree. I did get a $30 one from Target, and as I made it brighter with the little button, it made a hissing noise at me. So I was scared it was gonna explode. We're not gonna go with that one. Am I gonna get a refund? No, because that would require telling an employee that I'm unsatisfied with something. And I will not be doing that, thank you. No, thank you! Shing! It's like a little sword. I feel like I got moisturizer in my eye. Do you see any? Let me know. I'm a very pink kind of person. M'lady. If you're not a m'lady, comment below. I think I forgot how to do makeup. Because up close, this looks really bad. So just, you know, pretend this is 6 feet long. Pretend this is a 10-foot pole. For anyone not in the US, that is 165 meters. I did make that up. I don't actually know how much it is. Right. Highlighter. You guys know the deal. That's done. Where's my son? Can someone help me find my son? There he is. This one. School. Fish school? I haven't had to go to school since I graduated school in 2021. What? That was unsatisfying. I'm gonna leave a bad review on the Google. What? I can't tell if this is how I normally look up close. I'm like 89% sure, but that still leaves 11%. For anybody that, for any math out there, yeah, this brush is still wet. I'm not doing that. Gotta put me first, Lucius. I used to do this my first year doing makeup, trying to do online, whatever. Now looking back, it kind of made sense, but like I was not bronzing, I was using contours. But then again, those two could be used interchangeably. It doesn't matter. I'm jobless. Jobless behavior. Announcement. I should make a video like I'm announcing a pregnancy, but my announcement is that I got fired twice in one day. It's a long story. It's mostly my fault. Some would say it's completely all my fault, but I don't want to think that way, because positivity. It's important to be positive. Otherwise, who knows where I'm gonna be. The Golden Gate Bridge. Sorry. And now I'm gonna do the blush. Do you ever get deja vu? Oh, I forgot I had this. Look how ratty and nasty. This is from Coastal Scents. It's kind of like Sugar Pill, where you can just like get different shades put in your own pan. This one used to have a big one in it, and now replaced with a small one. I kind of want to use this one because it's pink. Thanks, Tanya. Not my aunt. The one I used to work with. When I do this part, my teeth click together. Not fun. The only organic fruit juice I can get my hands on right now, 20 plus grams of sugar in it. Get it out of there. I don't want all that sugar. It hurts my teeth. All right, now that all that's done, I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. The brows look okay. I did it again. Sorry. Now, I'm gonna do this over here. Now that I've done this off camera, I keep forgetting because I can never film. Now I can. All right, this is really easy. All you'll need is almonds, turbot, and source. All you'll need is eyeshadow, eye safe glitter, which I did not use. You should be doing that. And some craft store gems if you're following along at home, which if you are, why? So I'm starting with red on the lid from the Abby Roberts, Morphe X Abby Roberts palette. I might be sneezing blue later because I think I got some eyeshadow in my eye. And then, you know, I'm just gonna do one of these all the way up. And then like right here, I'm just gonna do one of these. And now I'm gonna, and then, you know, just blend a little bit. Now I'm gonna reapply layers of this blue until it's the consistency that I want it to be. That's not the right word. Opacity. The opacity that I want it to be. I'm not 100% sure if I like this. If it seems like it's a little bit dark in here, hello? If it seems like it's a little bit darker in here than before, it's because it's storming outside, or it was. I don't know if it still is. But yeah, that's my explanation. And I'm sticking to it. And now Paramaniac, which I found out is the love of, it's when you love to talk about yourself or something like that. I used to think it meant that you're a fan of Paramore. That's just, I thought that's what they called their fans. That makes sense, right? But no, it's something about loving to talk about yourself or love of stealing. No, that's Pyromaniac. I don't like the way that this brush feels right now. I don't know if I'm gonna do some glitter. If you're gonna do glitter, do eye safe glitter, because I'm not legally responsible for what happens to you. If something bad happens to you, if you do nail glitter or craft glitter, don't do it, let me do it, I'm done. That should be like my interlude to my album. Anyways, it's mostly tiny light blue with a little bit of medium-sized light blue. I did do a shimmer on this side underneath the glitter, and it barely showed up, so I'm skipping that part. Or omitting me when I'm in math class. Omit page 34. I wish we omitted more than page 34, honestly. I hated doing schoolwork and homework and work. I love glitter. Kind of growing on me now that there's more on, now that there's, you know what I mean? You know, by itself, it's just like, what? And then you do it on the other side and you're just like, oh yeah, it all comes together. And to do this tiny little, I say tiny loosely. And to do this section, I'm gonna use a brush. If my hair moves out of my way. Now along this little sperm tail, sorry, I'm going to use my ring finger because it's one of the smallest ones. And just pack it in there. As you can see. Are they equal height? The eyebrows are not. I drew them high up. Who cares? Not me. And before I forget, I need to put the cap back on. Every single time I forget, I think I don't need the cap that bad, and then it dries on the inside of the tube and I can't get the glue out anymore, and it feels like I'm wasting. Don't do that, kids. Don't be like that. Now for orange gems, using these. Boop, boop, boop. Zero mermaid. Zero ramen. Zero the dog from Nightmare Before Christmas. Coincidence? CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion Water Resistant Mascara in the shade Very Black. 13.1 milliliters, 0.44 fluid ounces. Do I kind of look like Charlie XCX right now? This is supposed to be the most popular song in Germany. What the F word? I love it. This one? How long ago did I wear this one? Probably not too long ago. I don't care. I care a little bit too much, honestly. Again, I would like to be in an analog horror, preferably the Walton Files. Doesn't that sound good? Don't answer that. It kind of looks like there's only 2 pieces to this lash. And I don't know how I feel about that. So we're just gonna keep trucking on to Babylon. Babylon, that's what I do hypothetically if I was ever drunk and have drunken alcohol. Babble on. I've never done that before. I've never drunken alcohol before. I am 21. I just stared deeply at the bottom of my foot, and I don't like that. So for the lips, I'm gonna do, look at the camera. So for the lips, I'm gonna do a deep brown, probably something similar to this, or this, or this. Ew, did you see my whole skull move forward? I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, still smells good. I don't know how old this is. I don't know how long I've had it. Probably a couple years. It says to throw it away after 2 years of having it. That might be how long I've had it. Am I Pearl? Maxine was so bad. LA Colors Adored. That's what it's called. Adored Diddle-on. I don't belong here. Did I just spit on it, girl? This gloss does not smell as good as the lipstick does. This is from Jolie, New York, no relation. In the shade Lip Gloss, in all caps. You can't see that. It kind of smells like the off-brand Cheez-Its that are in my room that I don't want to throw away even though they're a little bit stale. Because in my brain, that's like a waste of money. Because I didn't finish them. Fun fact for you. If you ever get Jolie, New York, just know it smells like off-brand Cheez-Its that are a little bit stale. Think like a little bit saltines. It doesn't really taste cheesy. It just tastes like crackers. All right, I'm gonna brush my bang and I'll be right back. Poof. All right. I've decided I think I'm gonna wear these. Made them myself, as you can see with the index card. I was gonna start doing like 2-color earrings, and then I realized I don't have enough big gems to make most of them. So when I get the chance to do that, I will. Until then, I don't know. Is it a little bit vintage jewelry? Just a little bit. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that took to get here. I will try to upload more now that I am no job. Boom, until I get a job. And then maybe I'll post the same amount. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. If you don't want to do any of those, that's fine. If you want to do some of those but not others, that's fine. If you want to do one of those, that's fine. If you want to cash at me, JoeMoore684. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. And with that, I will see you when I see you. Bye, y'all.